Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to cover how to find the mode of a dataset. Now, the mode is the value or multiple values that occur the most within a dataset. It's even possible to have no mode. We will see what all of this looks like as we go through our examples, starting with number 1, where we have the number of goals scored by a soccer team in each of their first 10 games. Now it's not necessary, we don't have to put the data in order from least to greatest, but it can be helpful. It makes it a little easier to find the mode. Let's do that for number 1. So you don't have to do this, but it makes it a little easier, so we're only going to do this for 1 or maybe for 2. So let's start with this one. So let's put them in order from least to greatest. So as we can see, number 2 is our least. So now we're gonna look. We can just cross this off. We're gonna look. Do we have another 2? No. So we go to the 3's. We have 3 3's. Let's cross these off and write them down. 3, 3, and another 3. Now we go on to the 4, of course. We only have 1 4. We cross them off and we go to the 5. We have 2 5's. 5 and another 5. Let's cross these off. We have 2 6's. 6, 6, 1 7, and 1 8. So now we have done this, we can start counting the values that occurs the most. So let's see, 2 only has 1, as you can see. So we can circle this. This is 1. 3, we have 3. Let's do it like this. 3. We have 1 over here. We have 2 5's. We have 2 6's. We have 1 8. Oh, my bad, guys. I keep writing 1. We have 2 5's, 2 6's, 1 7, and 1 8. So now the mode is the value that occurs the most. We know that 3 now occurs the most. So we can write that our mode equals 3. Not we aren't writing down how many times the value occurred. We are writing down the value that occurred the most. So if this was a 4 instead of a 3, like this, we wouldn't be writing 3, we would be writing 4. So let's go to the second one. For this one, we don't have to order them because they are already ordered from least to greatest. So let's do this again. We have 2 4 4, we have 2 6's, we have 4 7's, 4, same for the 8, we have 4, we have 3 9's, and 2 10's. So, as you can see, we are tied for 7 and 8. So, this means we have 2 modes. Normally you just have 1, but this time we have 2 because they both have 4. So we can just write down mode equals 7 and 8. Or you can just write and 8. Let's get this out of the way a bit. So right here. So now to the third one. We have ages of employees. Now this one isn't ordered from least to greatest. So I mean it is ordered from least to greatest. So we're not gonna order them by hand because they are already ordered. Now I'm gonna show you another way to write this down. You can also put symbols on it. Like we have 24, 28, 34, and they all have 1. So I'm gonna put a star above all of them because they only have 1. 38 also has 1. 41 also has 1. And then we're on to 48. 48 has 2. So we can circle this, for example. 50 has 1. 51 also has 1, and 55 also has 1. So this is another way I like to mark it up because it takes little space and you can see pretty clearly if you have them ordered which ones have the most of them. So our mode for this one will be 48. Yes, this will be our final answer. This also and this one also. Now on to the last one. So remember I said there can also be no mode. So I'm going to show you why this one has no mode. So let's mark them up with dots this time. So if it only has a value of 1, or if the value only occurs one time, we're just gonna mark it up with a dot underneath it, like this. 51, 1, 57 also once, 60 is also once, 63 is also once, 66 also, yes, they all occur one time. So for the daily temperatures, we have no mode. So, so you can get tricked by these because they have no mode when they maybe ask you find the mode of all of these questions. So remember, the mode is the value that occurs the most, and we don't write how much it occurs. We write the number down or the score, or it doesn't matter. We write the value down that occurs the most and not how much times it occurs. So don't get that twisted up in your head. So this was the video on finding the mode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like. Subscribe to the channel. You can always ask something in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video.